connect your crypto exchange to your Eazybot dashboard using what's called an API key. This is what binds them together and allows trade commands to pass through to your crypto exchange. Navigate to Bot Management, click on User Exchanges. You'll see a page that looks like this. There will be step-by-step user guides for each exchange showing you exactly how to do it, but we'll just run through a quick example of how to bind Binance.com. So you click on Add User Exchange, give it a name. From the drop-down menu, you're going to select your crypto exchange. Coinbase Pro will be ready also on the 28th with more crypto exchanges to follow. And then you're going to retrieve what's called your API key and a secret key. So inside of Binance.com, you want to navigate under your profile here, click on API Management, give it a name like Eazybot and click Create API. You'll have to pass this two-step security verification where you send a code to your email and also the code from the Authenticator app. Once you've passed that security verification, scroll down. First thing to do is click on Edit Restrictions and tick the box that says Enable Spot and Margin Trading. Click on Save. With Binance.com, if you're not defining specific IP addresses that you're going to be connecting to, you will have to renew this every 90 days by coming in here and just reactivating. So click OK on that. You may get an additional security pop-up with the Authenticator app. Once you've confirmed that, copy the API key to your clipboard, paste it in here. We're going to highlight the secret key, copy to our clipboard and paste it in here, and then click Save. Here you can see the example that we just created. We've now binded our crypto exchange, in this case Binance.com, to our Eazybot dashboard.